Hey guys, welcome to a special spooky Halloween episode of The Drawing Board. I was enjoying my usual favorite pastime of troubling Wayne when I clicked this picture of him and realized it would be perfect for me to Photoshop into something I had in mind for today. So, behold, this bewitching little man. I'm going to try and draw a cute little cartoon version of Wayne the Witch, and I hope it turns out okay. Anyway, now that you know the plan, let's get started. Well, that's the final result. What do you think? I think it captures the mischievous aura that Wayne gives out. Well, I hope you liked the video. Hey, what's this?
Ooh, I'm going to cast a spell on you. Subscribe to the drawing board. Ooh.
I don't know if that worked, Wayne. Anyway, I'll see you guys at the next drawing board. Bye, guys.